Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Calculus particles move fast today. We will find velocity, compare directions, and calculate position using derivatives and integrals. Let's solve this AP problem together. First, find the velocity of particle h by taking the derivative of its position. At time 1, the derivative gives us -2 times e raised to the power of -3. Next, we check when particles move in opposite directions by comparing velocity signs. Particle h moves left before time 2, while particle j moves right after time 1. Check those intervals carefully. At time 2, particle j has positive velocity and acceleration, so speed increases. Integrate velocity from 0 to 2. The final position is 88. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check steps for the best results.